Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, it's the time of year here where the garden centers have sales on. Now at our local grocery store, they had a garden center, and last Sunday they posted that everything in their garden center was 50 cents off. And so I went running in there. 50 cents. They were only 50 cents, sorry, not 50 cents off. Anything in there, 50 cents. So I went in there and didn't see anything I wanted. I was thinking vegetables, herbs, whatever. I'm not a flower person, as you can tell. And then the next day they posted, and dummy, when I was at the garden center, never looked up to these hanging baskets, like 50 cents. So the next day, I'm on their Facebook thing. So she posted at 8 o'clock in the morning that they had taken everything out of the greenhouse and was set on shelving units free. So I'm like, you dummy, those planters, I would have paid 50 cents each just to have the container. Oh, old person's moment. So I ran in there and I fought another lady. I got 13 of these planters into my vehicle while she was grabbing the other ones because she was thinking the same thing. So the point is, I'm not a flower person. I don't want these flowers. But think ahead to next year. Now I've got 13 more hanging baskets. And I've already used 2 that were dead like that. And I planted strawberries in them, which were on sale today at Canadian Tire in their garden center. And they've got lots of stuff, but it was like 30 cents off. So I've got 4 strawberries that I've replanted into the hanging pots because I'm thinking, hey, why not use that space up there? So while I'm in here, tomatoes are doing good. Got tomatoes on everything. Quite high. The loofahs are doing amazing. The peppers, I noticed, were like, hello, we have flowers. So, yeah, I'm really liking the greenhouse. It's awesome. Sure protects the stuff from wind damage or hail or anything like that. But like I said, I've got just 1 plant mainly of each kind of tomato that I planted. So I'll do a comparison of how many tomatoes I get off of each plant and which plant thrived. The one in the garden or the one out here. So, yeah, loving it.